The pygmy marmoset is the smallest monkey in the world and weighs less than an apple. They reach a height of about 5 inches and a weight of about 4.2 ounces.
Lifespan is about 12 years, and they can leap 30 times their body length and have razor-sharp claws to help them climb trees.
They are round and appear to be very fat. In order to help them to look larger, they use this mechanism as a way to help them defect being easy prey.
Habitat includes Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador, and parts of Bolivia and the rainforest. They will live almost all their lives in the trees where they are covered by a vast canopy of leaves and foliage.
The pygmy marmosets have certain trees they like within the territory, and they can make up to 1,300 holes in each tree.
One way they protect themselves is by placing their nests at the edges of branches so it's hard for the predators to reach them. Another way they protect themselves is their ability to swivel their head backwards up to 180 degrees to watch for predators.
Raptors are a type of bird that can come into the canopies and consume them. Other predators to the pygmy marmoset include eagles, hawks, snakes, and wildcats.
Humans are another huge problem for the survival of these monkeys. They continue to destroy their natural habitat and take them to sell them as pets around the world. There are efforts in place to protect these animals, but that still hasn't stopped these illegal acts.
Their diet consists of sap and gum. They need a diet that offers them high amounts of carbs. They may consume plants, fruit, and insects if they can't get enough sap or gum.
To get the sap out of the trees, they use their sharp teeth to penetrate the wood. Then they can drain the sap from the inside. They are very patient because this process can be time-consuming. This is why they may take many hours a day to feed.
There is no particular time of the year for the pygmy marmoset to mate. They will be ready to mate as long as they have enough food and shelter around them. Their gestation is about 4.5 months, and they usually have a set of twins born to the mother when successful mating has taken place.
These young are more demanding than other monkey babies. They can be very fussy and need constant attention. They can't eat much at once, but they can get hungry every couple of hours.
There is a very high mortality rate of the young pygmy marmoset monkeys. Trying to provide enough milk for multiples can be tough. There is also the risk of them falling out of the nest or off the body of the mother. Only 25% of the young will live to reach the age of maturity.
They use their vocal calls to chatter, to alert others of danger, to encourage mating, and to encourage their young. They make clicking sounds as well as short calls for those group members close by and long calls for those who are further away. These monkeys don't live in large groups. They will have 12 members at the most, but prefer to live in a group of about 5.
They will fight to their death if they have to in order for them to defend themselves and others in the group.
Their brains are much smaller than their ancestors. One theory many experts believe is that the brain may have consumed too much of their energy.
Perhaps with less food readily available, they were able to make changes in the area of the brain so they could save their energy for survival.